well, I think I lost 20 pounds. Oh, I'm gonna go eat some McDonald's now. Yay! Yay, McDonald's! Chicken nuggets, Big Mac, chicken nuggets, Big Mac. All right, I had a long day and can't wait to get me some rest. And then I'm gonna wake up in the morning and eat me a nice old breakfast full of shrimpos and eggs and all kind of other yummy stuff. I'm gonna share it all with Skittles, me and my Skittles. Lay here and just take a nap with my eyes open. McDonald's. You know what'd be good with this? Cheesecake. Gonna go get cheesecake. Cheesecake. Let's try the fun cheesecake. Cheesecake. Oh, that little Domgas. What the guy? He never have cheesecake in this house? Alright, I'll just eat the McDonald's plain. It's always good like that. Alright. Oh, can't wait to eat Mickey D's. Yes. Alright. Holy crap! Who ate my McDonald's? I bet it was that stupid bird. Oh, I'm gonna kill it now. Ooh, 3 in the morning, just got done whooping 10 on Call of Duty. My nose be feeling better. Good day right here. About to go to bed. Dreaming some hoes. Let's go. Black donkey, I'm gonna kill that bird. Wolfo, what'd he do now? He ate my McDonald's. I can't take it anymore. First thing in the morning, we're gonna kill that bird. All right, folks, whatever you say. Just wake me up in the morning and bop. We're gonna shoot him. And then he gonna be sleeping with the fishes like Osama bin Laden, folks. Alright, Black Donkey. First thing in the morning. Oh, I finally get some sleep tonight. Oh, I can't wait in the morning. Gonna kill that bird. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, so comfortable. Can't wait. I'm gonna sleep like a baby. I can't wait to kill that bird. I'm gonna kill that bird. Who you talking to? Talking to me? You talking to me? I know you're not talking to me again. Yes, this'll do. Black donkey.
Well, why you waking me up, Bo? What you need?
It's time, Black donkey.
Well, Bo, let me get my Glock.